Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable policy links in Footer on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's first make a page for the specific policy. Let's click on this add page right here, and then let's put in here a privacy policy. So let's name it as well. And then you can also add a content right here depending on the privacy policy that you have. Or you can also generate the text using the AI that has already been integrated to Shopify. So as you can see right here, it will generate an actual content for this. So just make sure to just keep on generating. So here's a sample of the privacy policy. So once you have done that, make sure that it is visible and it will be added on a theme template that you want. So head over and save this. And then once you have done that, you can head over in here under your navigation. And then you can see in here the footer menu. Click on this footer menu. Click on this add menu item. And then let's search in here for privacy policy. So let's search in here for that. Then add privacy policy. Click on add right here. Click on save menu. Once you have done that, let's head over to our online store. And then from in here, click on this customize. And once you opened your Shopify editor, you should be able to see in here your homepage. Now scroll down and you should be able to see your footer. So on my footer right here, I have in here my actual footer. And as you can see, it has not yet been added. This is actually because you need to actually just try to make sure that the links are actually enabled. So for this one, you can enable the social media icons, country region selection, as well as this. You can see in here the policy links. Click on the show policy links right here. Once you have done that, it should be able to open up and show it. After that, save your progress and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.